I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture we go ahead and write a simple project that will help us to convert decimal to octal. Alright, so let's go ahead and kick off immediately by initializing variables of long, let's say long x, dec, y, and let's say BA equal to 1, and the oct equal to 0, and put a semicolon at the end. Now let's go ahead and kick off by requesting the user to insert a decimal number. So I'm going to say insert a decimal number. So insert a decimal number. Go ahead and end that. Then cin, go ahead and save that right inside x and put a semicolon. Now we go ahead and say that y, okay, let's say dec is equal to x, so we can be able to save that, dec equal to x, and then we go ahead and use a while loop to do this. So go ahead and say yx is greater than 0. So yx is greater than 0. We go ahead and say y is equal to x modulus 10. So we save the remainder right inside y, and then oct is equal to oct plus y multiplied by BA. Now we go ahead and say x is equal to x divided by 8. Put a semicolon because that is decimal to octal. So now bar is equal to bar multiplied by 10, and put a semicolon. So this little logic here will help us to convert from decimal to octal. Now let's go ahead and print out results. So I want to say the octal equivalent of dec is and I remove this, and that is oct. Let's go ahead and put the end line. So we go ahead and run this code and check it out. So go ahead and run this code. So this output stream, go ahead and put that right. So this is a y equal to 8 x modulus 8, because here we are talking about octal. So change that and let's put that 25 again and make sure that we get the right thing, because if you put your calculator that in your calculator, is not going to work out fine. So 25 is 31. Alright, 25 is 31. So you can try one more time and make sure that this works out fine. Let's say for 12, and that is 14. So you can see that we can now get the correct octal equivalent of the decimal numbers we put in there. So go ahead and put this down in your system and play around with it, and in case you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.